Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of being tethered to your gaming station with a wired headset? Well, say goodbye to those pesky cords with the Corsair Void V2 wireless gaming headset. This sleek and powerful device is a game changer, offering lightning-fast wireless connectivity that lets you move freely without compromising on sound quality. As one of the most popular and well-reviewed headsets on the market, it's no wonder that so many customers have fallen in love with its incredible features. With its ultra-fast 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, you can enjoy low-latency gaming with crystal-clear sound, and instantly switch to Bluetooth for added versatility. The long-lasting battery life is also a major plus, providing up to 70 hours of playtime, and with a quick 15-minute charge, you can get up to 6 more hours of battery life. The Dolby Atmos Spatial audio is another standout feature, offering dynamic and directional audio that lets you pinpoint every footstep, explosion, and movement with incredible accuracy. It's like being right in the game. The dual wireless compatibility is also a huge benefit, allowing you to effortlessly switch between PC, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and mobile for premium audio with the press of a button. Whether you're a serious gamer or just a casual player, the Corsair Void V2 wireless gaming headset is the perfect choice, offering a level of freedom and flexibility that's hard to find with other headsets. So why settle for a mediocre gaming experience when you can have the best? Upgrade to the Corsair Void V2 wireless gaming headset and take your gaming to the next level. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.